Hey, it is Steve, and today's Tip Tuesday is going to be on apple cider vinegar. And the reason I came to doing a video on apple cider vinegar is I heard that it was good for sinuses, and sometimes my sinuses can drive me crazy. So I found a recipe online that I will share with you below, and my sinuses feel pretty good. So then I did some more research on it, and apple cider vinegar was pretty amazing. And like always, I'll put all the stuff below so you can do your own reading and own thinking and make your own decision. I'm definitely going to do apple cider vinegar at the end of this video for you guys, so please stick around. Alright, so apple cider vinegar is basically, it's fermented apples. It breaks down to magnesium, potassium, enzymes, probiotics, and it's has acetic acid is the strong acid in that, and it also has polyphenols in there, which is antioxidants, which is good for killing free radicals. And in my other video that I did on essential oils, I talk a lot about antioxidants, so go check out that video if you haven't seen it. Alright, so let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Well, because it's such a strong acid, it's good for killing bacteria. So a lot of people will use it in household uses. People have used it to kill weeds. It's just amazing what this stuff is used for. And again, I'll let you read the stuff below and just be amazed by it. Two of the things that I was fascinated by was people with diabetes too, and people for weight loss scenarios. So the thing with the apple cider vinegar, the acetic acid, when you take it, it inhibits the carbohydrate digesting enzymes in your system. So essentially, some starches and sugars just pass right through, so there's not as much an impact on your blood sugar level. The thing is before, if you do have diabetes too, and if you are taking your medicine for diabetes, you obviously have to consult your doctor before you take anything and have him discuss apple cider vinegar with you. I just thought that was absolutely fascinating. The next thing was for weight loss, and because it's made from apples, it has pectin, and pectin is a natural appetite suppressant. So the thinking in that is you take this like an hour before you eat. You have the benefits obviously with your blood sugar levels, but then you're not as hungry after. So I did it in the morning, and it definitely boosts your metabolism in the morning, so that's why I did mine in the morning. And it's hard if you're going to drink it straight. So what they recommend is that you use 1 tablespoon for 8 ounces of water, and then you want to try to get to 2 tablespoons and 8 ounces of water. But for YouTube and my subscribers, I am going to do the 2 tablespoons. Oh yeah, what I wanted to mention is you want to get the one that's organic and unpasteurized. It's going to have like a milky look. That's the cellulose from the enzymes of the vinegar. Alright, oh by the way, this is Samantha. She's bored just listening to me talking about apple cider vinegar. Alright, here I go. Oh, man. Alright, this is Elite, this is Steve. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you real soon. Peace.